Hello, it's Alane Freund with your HSP travel vlog, and I think my hotel breakfast warrants video because I'm going to go really slowly and let you see everything. This is not a breakfast that I can eat a whole lot of, so I didn't do hotel breakfast while I was here. I mean, I don't like a giant breakfast, but I want everything on this table. Let me pause, I'll go to the other table. Here are the little baby crêpes or pancakes. Eggs with the, I have 2 eggs in the boiler right now, and this has scrambled eggs in it today. Sometimes it has, and bacon in it. So it's very English and American friendly. And here on this table we have yogurts and compote, which really is like applesauce, stewed fruit, melon, fruit salad, charcuterie, c'est pas pour moi, and du beurre. Oh, there's a cheese plate normally. This is the incredible coffee machine. I know you would love it. So that's the hotel. This is the little bar in the lobby, a little lounge area. It's Art Deco. It's really quite pretty and very, very clean. I definitely recommend it. Let me see if I can find you the name. It's across the street from the train station, which I was kind of nervous about because I was afraid it would be too noisy. And definitely you can't really have your windows open at night because right over here is a party scene at the kebab place and the little market where I buy a bottle of water for €1. So here's the hotel. It only has 34 rooms, and it's called Hostellerie Jehan de Beauce. There it is. So the rooms are small, but I would say pretty big by French standards. It's a lovely place.